On the Mk3 MR2, I'm going to be taking off this inline pump I just put in just to get it moving. I'm going to be fitting a Walbro GSS 342. Start by taking this is an absolute pain in the backside to get off. That side comes out with a little clip there, pull it out. But yeah, I'm going to put the Walbro GSS 342 and need to take all these 8mm bolts out and then pull this up out. I want to know which way this goes in. Obviously that is facing towards the front of the car. That's the outlet, that's a return line. This comes off. Keep that in the same orientation, just in case. Okay, there should be a float on here. Where is the float? Okay, float's there. The float might be stuck. Pull that sock out. Fuel looks quite nice and clean, but I just put new fuel in it. I'll show you that in a second. Let's drip there for a minute. Yeah, she's clean. Obviously you see a bit of rust in there from where the tank's been left empty, but no, it looks good. Looks good. I'll change the fuel pump because that fuel pump is kaput. I wonder if that moves. It's a bit stiff actually, but yeah, that moves. Once I get some fuel in it, that'll work. Won't get a lot of fuel in, that'll work properly. Oh, it's moving much more free already. It's been sat for a little while. Right, I'm going to get this apart. Got to take all these clips off, and yeah, then she will come apart nicely. Do that now on the side of the truck. Now those 4 clips are popped off around the edge there. Need to get that bit off the bottom there. There's another couple of clips on there to pop off. 1, 2, 3 clips. Have a look. Just going to take this apart bit by bit and have a look. Okay, so that clip's popped off. 3 clips. I'm going to remove that wire in there now and see how this comes out. Okay, and there she is. She's out. Just disconnect that one from there as well. It's just that little one there, and you've obviously got the wire in there which will plug straight into the Walbro. Should do. Might be a little issue with this, but we'll have a look at it. Let me see. Pull it out of there. And the only issue I can see is that is not exact with the one on the Walbro, so I need to have a look into that and how I can make that work. Come back in a sec. First things first, that plug, the terminal is too small to fit onto the Walbro, so I need to use that one and just rewire that onto there, which I will do. Obviously black goes to black, red goes to blue. I'll do that, crimp it on nicely, and I'll have a look at the next bit. They're all done, twisted as well. I'm going to get on that, nicely twisted as you can see, and these ones are done. Crimp them together now. That's done. Now on to the next part, all nicely crimped up. Boom, they're solid, not going anywhere. On to the next part. Okay, so actually, the bits off of here, I have managed to transfer. Actually, pop this bit on. We'll transfer onto here. Now it's got a little crack in it, I've already tried it and it works fine. It slots in there. It's actually a rubber O-ring that seals. Okay, that goes on there. And then, this pops, so it's got to go in this slot here. So this pops into that hole there. So that's what I'm going to pop into now. Go there, line it up, lined up, and it will just push in a little bit. Let's see. Should push in a second. There we go, it's pushed in, slotted in. There we go, pull that cap off. Very good socket. So now, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Right. Next step. So now the sock has got to pop on there. It's got to just pop straight on. Okay. Which it has. And then all I've got to do is put this little clip on here on the bottom. It shouldn't come off. And what I like to do is get a hot screwdriver and just melt the tab over so it definitely doesn't come off. Okay, so that's popped on. Please mind the dirt on there. But what I like to do is I'm going to heat up with my blowtorch, then the screwdriver, and just melt that little tab there. So I'll just do that now quickly. Show you. A second. I'll show you. Get that and just melt that end tab there a little bit so it just melts over. Let's get it hotter again. And that's it. As you can see, if you have a look there, that little knob, I've just melted it over, so that is not going to come off now. That socket's on there firmly, it's not coming off. Good stuff. Might refit that onto it, and then put that cap on just to stop it waggling around and stuff. Yeah, that's it, pretty much there. Okay, now this little bit here, so the Walbro is slightly longer, very slightly. So if I show you, it sits on back, but it's sitting high at the front there because this bit here, so I'm just trim a little bit of this around, and it isn't going to come off now, obviously, because that's in there. So I just need to trim that bit, middle bit there, just for that bit that's sticking out the sock. So I've just used a screwdriver to melt it away, and as you can see now, it'll go on lovely, and it'll clear. I'm going to pop that on. And that is in there solid, that is not going anywhere. I've even put the rubber thing on, it's in there solid, that is not coming off. So I'm going to assemble it all back together now. Happy days. Oh yeah, there we go, it's in out, lovely. All the water coming out. Right, so that's all in there, it's all clipped back on. She is ready to go back in. Put the lines back on it and fire her up and see how she gets on. Yeah, I think that's supposed to go down by itself. Might have to oil that up a bit. That. I feel like that's not really going to go up and down by itself, so might have to oil that up a little bit. I think. Have a look at it and see. Okay, so I've done this, so I've just oiled this up a number of times, moved it about, and now if I bring it up here, drop back down, it's nice and free now, it moves up free, goes down free, drops up free, goes down free, should be alright now, put that in. It just literally slides up and down on the thing, I'll show you. Here it is. You just literally just slide it down there, push it all the way up to the top, and then just clip the wire back in. What do I do with the wire? Oh crap, where's the wire gone? Wire somewhere anyway. Oh, it just pops into there, look. And now she pops back in. Remember? That's it, this bit facing the front. Oh, sorry, that bit facing the front. And that's it, yeah. And this one goes on. I'm pretty sure it does. Like, where was it? Like that. I'm sure that's it, isn't it? Might be slightly off of that. So it lines up all the holes. There we are. That's it. That metal tab is in there. Alright, we can get that back in. Okay. Get that back on with the 8mm bolts. And yeah, happy days. Let's get going. All on and fitted back in. Before I put the cover on, I'm going to check nothing's leaking, fire it up. So it goes in there like that. Battery on, fire him up. Let's go. Right, got a new battery on there, jump leads. Let's try her out. Which one is it? Oh, perfect. Fuel gauge is now working. There we go. Sounds good. Right. Runs nice. Let's have a little look. No leaks here. If there's any leaks, seems to be good. Let's have a look. Engine all looks fine. Looks good. There's just bubbles in this. Just got it out. Yeah, this looks good. Looks fine. It actually runs on revs now. So yeah, happy days. Get the exhaust off, put proper exhaust on there. Right, come forwards, come forwards. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight, go on. Give a bit of rev. Not too much. Clutching alright? Yeah, brakes alright? Yeah, go on, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Go on, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop, stop, stop. Okay.
What about my mirror?
Oh, sorry.
I want to take her for her first maiden voyage.
How's that?
In a bit.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want me to close this a little bit or leave it like that? Just don't go too mad with it, Michael. Check the brakes work. Fantastic. Let's start back up. It's alright.